Okay, people were asking me to show all my Rolife Booknooks and my miniature do-it-myself houses and things I have completed. So this is the garden house. I do have another video of this. All of these products are in my TikTok shop. If for some reason you can't find them or can't shop in the TikTok shop, if you click my Outside the Lines link, and underneath my P.O. box under my bio, I have a link tree. In the link tree, I have one section that just is Rolife that will take you right directly to Rolife if you can't shop in the TikTok shop. I love the TikTok shop. I think it's easy, it's fast. So anyway, this is the garden house. This is all of the sides. I didn't show the back because the only part that you can see is the top part of the back. Otherwise, the rest of the sides are all see-through. This is the Magic House. You can't see that it says Magic House on the front because I was showing them all in their light and the ambiance. This is similar to something you may, movie or something you may have seen. I love this one. The button to this one is on the floor. The button to the garden house is on the front lower right-hand corner. These kits come with everything you need. Depending on where you get it shipped from, sometimes they are not allowed to ship batteries. Otherwise, everything that this requires to be put together comes in the kit. Now this is the Sakura, and I love the water on this. There's so many levels to the bottom that just make it look so 3D and cool. This was a very fun one to do. You can even see the people in the train car. I mean, this was very fun. The Booknooks do go together faster than the do-it-yourself miniature houses. You can usually either see them through the top or all the sides. The next one is Simon's Coffee. I renamed it. So the walls to this come with paper, and then they also come with white paint. What I love to do with these is make them my own. If I have lace, I'll put a curtain on a window. For example, the walls of this are cardstock, and then I inked it with different inks. Kiki's Magic Emporium, I have shown this several times putting it together. For some reason tonight, the light kept blinking. I think there are reasons, but I'm not going to say. So check all of these out in my TikTok shop or the link to Rolife in my link tree. They're a great gift for others or for yourself. Have fun.